This is bus 407. It's 2007 Bluebird Vision. It's my only, well, it's the only first gen Vision we have left. 408 was retired. Look at the back. My hands are cold. I was gonna put on gloves, but my gloves don't work well with my phone, obviously, because, you know, that's how phones work. And gloves, they don't go well together. Dash. Bluebird Handy Bus, the cow bus. So here they put 53. This is originally just Liberty Public Schools, and then they put 53 on. Which I don't know why they can just keep it as Liberty Public Schools, but well, there's a lift. There's a. Okay, that's kind of tight. Sorry about that. It's the same thing on this side. Thanks for watching, and bye.